Hello, here's our afternoon's work for today. So we're going to sort of go back to the beginning, and I wanted you as parents as well as children to have an idea of what we've been looking at in the Year 3-4 curriculum. You'll have to give the noise of the washing machine in the background. I've still got to get on with my housely chores. So we're looking today at expanded noun phrases, which is one of the first things that the children did at the start of the year. But before that, what we worked on was sentence structure and what is in every sentence, what has to be in a sentence. So if we look at the top sentence here, in the playground, the excited, eager children are playing. So basically in every sentence, what I need is a noun and a verb. So the noun is a person, place or thing. The verb is what that thing is doing. Without those, I can't have a sentence. So I can't use my full stop. Only after I've got both of those can I choose whether to put a full stop or not. That's really important for the children, because what the children tend to do is write and write and write and write. So if we can get them used to saying, have you used a noun, have you used a verb, does that make sense on its own? Right, well we can use a full stop then, and let's start a new sentence rather than using words like and then. So beyond that, we're using expanded noun phrases today, and those expanded noun phrases are two adjectives which are describing words that go before the noun. So it's something that I'm describing in the sentence. So in my sentence here, in the playground, the excited, eager children are playing, I've obviously got two nouns. I've got the playground and I've got the children. So I can use either of them to use my expanded noun phrase, but it does massively change the context of the sentence depending on which one I use. So in the playground, the excited, eager children are playing, and in the cold, wet playground, the children are playing, obviously sound very, very different and will be used for different reasons. And what I want to convey to the children is, this is what you need to be doing in your writing. Use the expanded noun phrase, but for a specific reason. So at the top one, if I was talking about the children in my story and I wanted to show that they're feeling and how they are acting with each other, the excitement before something happens in school maybe, I would use that expanded noun phrase. If I wanted to talk about the conditions the children are in, and I was talking more about the school possibly, then I would talk about the cold, wet playground. So, an expanded noun phrase is this order of words. So we've got the determiner, which comes before the noun, it could be an, it could be a number, it could be an, if it's a vowel sound that comes after it. So the playground, the cold, wet playground, or the excited, eager children, or the children. So we've got the, which is a determiner, then we've got the noun. And what we're doing is we're putting these two adjectives in, two words that describe the noun. So the children are excited, the children are eager, the playground is cold, the playground is wet. And we put a comma in between those two words because they are essentially a list. So I have to put a comma in there because it's more than one. It's a list of something. We use commas in between in our list, and that's another Year 3-4 target. So what I would like the children to do now is write sentences about what they can see around the house using expanded noun phrases. I would like this work to go where I'm going to put this link for this video so they can watch it again on the Showbe file for writing, and I'll put it under today's date. If you've got any questions, either you guys can leave a comment here because I'll get a notification for that. If you've got any comments on the video, and the children can use Showbe to leave their comments. If you could get them to write 5 or 6, it's our first time, 5 or 6 sentences, and I will leave this file on there for them as an example as well. Thanks, guys.